Mangroves, nature's shield against deadly storms, surge continue to protect coastal communities. But behind this natural defense, mangrove destruction due to urban expansion and pollution remains a growing threat. Mangroves are one of nature's most powerful allies in the fight against climate change and environmental degradation. These coastal forests act as a natural barriers protecting communities from storm surges and rising sea levels while storing large amounts of carbon, making them essential to achieving Sustainable Development Goal 13, climate action. At the same time, mangroves support rich biodiversity, providing critical habitats for marine and terrestrial life, directly contributing to SDG 15, Life on Land.
Diyan kabakawan, walang buong putol dyan, kuha namin yan. Kasi dyan umitlog yung mga limasag na yan mga isda na yan, dyan umitlog. Kaya iniingatan namin talaga sila na maputol ng iba.
Mangrove restoration is essential today because it helps protect coastal areas from erosion, storms, and flooding while supporting diverse marine life and providing livelihoods for local communities. These ecosystems also play a significant role in fighting climate change by absorbing large amounts of carbon dioxide. Valuing and restoring mangroves contributes to environmental sustainability, biodiversity conservation, and the long-term well-being of both people and nature.
Yan, pag malapad ang hibas, namumulot kami dyan ng bunga ng bakaw dati dyan. Tapos tinatanim namin dyan sa mga, yung may agwat-agwat ba? Yung mga agwat ng puno, tinataniman namin yan. Para makadagdag ng mga bakaw. Yung dami, para yung isda. Hindi sila matakot na sabi, madalang na yung bakaw.
Mangroves are not just trees but also a lifelines for communities and ecosystem.
As an advocate, I call on everyone to protect and restore our mangroves. They've been saving us for generations, shielding coastlines from storms, providing food and livelihood for everyone. Now it's our turn to give back. Bakawan ang pag-asa ng kalikasan at tagapagtanggol sa lahat ng mamamayan.
I am Jill Van Sian from Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management from St. Louis College, saying that change the climate before it changes you.